Yes, sir. You have recorded.
So I think I will send then. Last class we did induced magnetism is temporary, correct? Till that we did.
Yes, sir.
हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक पार्ट एक पार्ट लिखते हैं. किधर गया पेन? Explain induction precedes attraction. Explain induction precedes magnetic attraction. Written?
No, sir.
Sir,
No,
just
sir.
a minute, I joined through other device.
Okay. Precede मतलब आगे क्या पीछे?
आगे.
मतलब
पीछे.
इंडक्शन पहले आएगा बाद में अट्रैक्शन होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
That means
So what is induction?
automatic getting something is called induction. That's why I told ना देवी आ जाता है बोलते हैं ऑटोमेटिक आ जाता है ना.
हाँ.
तो पहला देवी आएगा बाद में प्रोसेशन होएगा क्या? कि प्रोसेशन चलता है फिर बीच में देवी आ जाती है.
Procession चलता है sir.
हाँ. That means if this is magnet and I place here one ion, it will get attracted before developing magnetism, or here
Yes, sir.
first south pole will get developed, then it will get attracted now.
Yes.
So
Yes,
who will
sir.
come first? This pole will come first, or magnet will first get attracted?
Magnet.
Magnet.
No, you're not understanding. This is
Pole
magnet,
will
okay?
come.
This is magnet. ये आयन था. तो पहला पोल डेवलप होएगा ना इसमें.
Yes, sir.
When
हाँ,
pole
sir.
develops, then it gets attracted now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That
Sir,
means
वो पोल की वजह से अट्रैक्शन होता है.
yes. That means देखो जैसा if I say कोई क्यों बोलता है ना if there are suppose people, then only there will be society.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Or first society and then people will start coming.
People then society.
So first
People,
people comes, then society is formed now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Schools will be constructed, waiting for students will come.
What, sir?
No. Schools are constructed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that 20, 25 में student आएंगे. चलेगा क्या ऐसा?
नहीं sir.
नहीं,
नहीं,
पहले
sir.
student रहने चाहिए ना मार्केट में. तो
हाँ sir.
हाँ,
लोग
sir.
start कर देंगे ना. So first magnetism is formed and then attraction. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
मतलब if I have an ion, it will first develop pole, na?
Yes, sir.
And then get attracted, no?
Yes.
Yes,
That
sir.
means ion first becomes magnet and then get attracted, correct?
Correct, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
First I take money in my pocket, then I move out. Or I move out and then call my phone, please give me money.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
You
पहला
take
money
money
आएगा,
and then go out.
then go out. So first I will become magnet, then I will be attracted, no?
Yes, sir.
First I will do
Yeah.
makeup, then I will be attracted, na?
Yeah.
और I am attracted बाद में जाके मेकअप करके आता हूँ.
नहीं sir.
नहीं ना, पहले शादी कर दो बाद में वाइफ लेके आऊँ क्या?
Eh?
मतलब कोई ऐसा बोला मेरा शादी हो गया वाइफ 2 साल के बाद आएगी, ऐसा होता है?
No.
हेलो, यस,
Yes.
हाँ मैडम. मैडम मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, प्लीज कैंसिल कर दीजिए. मतलब देखो, आर यू गेटिंग मी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So somebody says, today I am getting married. After 2 years, I will search my wife. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
So first the parents will search the girl, no? And then they will decide after
Yes.
1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5 month, 1 year, 2 year, when that what you can say function will be adjusted, correct?
Yes.
So pehla who will come, induction or first attraction?
Attraction.
Induction, then
attraction.
attraction.
First induction, then attraction, no?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
First understand, then mark, no? या first mark and then after 10 days you understand?
No, sir.
First understand then.
तो induction मतलब mark जैसा है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कभी आएगा ये mark? जब हम पढ़ाई करेंगे ना.
Yes, sir.
तो पहला पढ़ाई करेंगे कि पहला मार्क आएगा?
पढ़ाई करेंगे.
तो स्टडी इज माय इंडक्शन. मुझे आदत लग जाना चाहिए ना पढ़ने का, तो ऑटोमेटिकली
Yes, sir.
मार्क का भी आदत लगेगा ना.
Yes.
So who will come first? Pole will come first or magnet attraction will come first?
Pole will come
Pole.
first.
Pole.
Pole will come first. I hope you followed meaning.
Followed.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down. When a iron piece is placed near a magnet, then it first develops induced magnetism and then gets attracted. This explains induction precedes attraction.
Sir, you will take that 4:30 lecture on magnetism.
4:30 will be magnetism. Yes.
So I have to also join.
If you join, we'll enjoy.
Okay, sir. I will join.
Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Induced magnetism is temporary. Explain. Keval, you have grandparents?
Maternal or paternal?
Either of them or both of them?
I am maternal grandparents.
Acha, when they come at your house, you become more systematic or more naughty?
More systematic.
That means you always think, अरे paternal नानी आएगी, नाना आएंगे, बहुत strict है, सब बुक भी जगह पे रखना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ.
लेकिन मोमेंट वो गए तो कुत्ते
आपस
की
जैसा
पूंछ
था
टेढ़ी
वैसा.
की टेढ़ी, है ना? कुत्ते की पूंछ बोलते हैं ना, टेढ़ी की टेढ़ी.
हाँ सर.
एक पाइप लेके आओ, उसमें कुत्ते का पूंछ डालो, स्ट्रेट हो जाएगा क्या?
नो सर,
नहीं, sir.
टेम्पररी होगा.
टेम्पररी होएगा. तो ये इंड्यूस्ड मैग्नेटिज्म भी टेम्पररी है. मतलब क्या? मैग्नेट हटाया, मैग्नेटिज्म गया. कभी कभी बोलते हैं ना, सावधानी हटी दुर्घटना घटी. Have you
हाँ.
heard this?
Yes, sir.
So that means still you are cautious, you are having no problem. If you are not cautious, then there will be a problem. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that means this magnetism is permanent or temporary?
Temporary.
Temporary.
Suppose this is bar magnet. Here I place one magnet. This is North Pole. Here it is South Pole. And I place one nail. Will it get attracted?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This will get attracted towards it. One more nail. Will it get attracted?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
One more nail. It will get attracted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till the weight is not very large, na? Otherwise, वजन खींच लेगा ना उसको.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say when one pole of bar magnet is brought near small iron nails, they form chain of nail as shown in the figure?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Till the weight of nails are not very heavy. As soon as the magnet is removed, all the nail will fall, na?
Yes.
Yes,
That
sir.
means our magnetism acquired is temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
Yes. Now we'll write. Right. When a bar magnet is brought close to iron
सर कोई भी
nail.
टाइप का मैग्नेट आयन के नजदीक होगा ना, तो भी
हाँ
चलेगा.
कोई भी चलेगा, बट बार मैग्नेट का वजन थोड़ा ज्यादा रहता है ना.
ओके सर.
When a bar magnet is brought close to iron nails, the iron nails gets attracted and forms a chain as shown in figure. Then you draw this diagram,
Which diagram?
the one which I have drawn on the left hand side.
Okay sir.
Can anybody tell if this is bar magnet then and this is nail, what is pole here
Sir, it's South Pole,
and what will be pole at other end?
North Pole,
North.
Then this magnet and needle comes, what will be pole here?
South Pole,
South Pole.
Here?
North Pole.
North.
Oh, okay, very good. Draw diagram as shown in figure.
Done sir.
We're not done, sir.
Sir, when that magnet is suspended, so that it will face towards the north pole, or it will face towards the south pole.
Which
That
magnet?
north side will face. That bar magnet, if we
North will pole
suspend
towards
it.
north will be towards north.
Okay sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Done, sir.
Okay, can I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. When magnet is removed, then all the nails will get scattered or will fall.
Yes, sir.
Fall.
All the nails fall and gets scattered, means moved away. खाली fall लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. Then all the nails fall. This shows that induced magnetism in ions are temporary.
Done sir.
Temporary. Done?
Sir, induced means forcefully, right?
Automatic.
Okay, sir.
Like as I said, see when grandparents come, they don't force, na? We have that respect,
Yes, sir.
and so we behave properly, no?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Done.
Lines of magnetic field. They can ask you draw the diagram of lines of magnetic field for earth, for magnet. This way they can ask. Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This
Yes,
is when you enter in your house, you have to show I-card.
No, sir.
That means
No.
your parents, they recognize you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say your house is your space
Yes,
or
sir.
your field?
Yes.
When you enter your building compound wall, then this watchman, does he ask किसके घर पे जा रहा है, एंट्री करके जाओ?
नहीं, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
मतलब अपना बिल्डिंग कंपाउंड भी अपना स्पेस है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But suppose you are at railway station, then you sit in the auto. ऑटो वाला आपको अपना मर्जी से लेके आ जाता है अपने घर में.
नहीं सर।
नहीं सर
मतलब ऑटो वाला अपने को नहीं पहचानता है ना, उसको अपना घर मालूम नहीं है। तो एक मैग्नेट का आजू बाजू में ना उसका स्पेस है, ये बताया था एक बार मैंने। वेर दूसरा
Yes, sir.
मैग्नेट को रखा तो अट्रैक्ट होएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड?
magnetic field.
Magnetic field.
ये डॉग्स दे आर सिटिंग क्वाइटली एट अ कॉर्नर और दे कीप ऑन बार्किंग। डॉग्स
Keep on barking.
यूजुअली दे
पता नहीं
बार्क ना।
क्यों.
हाँ, so one dog started barking and went to other area, other dogs started barking on him. तो इसका समझ गया ना, अपना गली में कुत्ता शेर है,
हाँ सर।
हाँ sir.
तो उसका अपना बाउंड्री समझ गया। बियॉन्ड
Sir, you
दैट
told
अदर
this
डॉग्स।
example once.
I told once, yes.
Yes, sir.
So whenever space will come, I will give this example only, so that every time कुत्ते को समझ जाएगा अपना एरिया कौन सा है। तो space around magnet is magnetic field.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
अब ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का लाइंस होना चाहिए, किधर होएगा? तो वी प्लेस मैग्नेटिक कंपास नीडल एट एवरीवेयर। एक मिनट रब करके बताता हूं आपको। सपोज दिस इज द स्पेस वेयर वी हैव मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। इफ आई प्लेस नीडल हियर, नीडल पॉइंट्स लाइक दिस, तो इधर है ना फील्ड, ये डायरेक्शन
Yes,
है
sir.
ना। इफ आई प्लेस नीडल
नहीं
हियर,
समझा sir.
ये नीडल जिधर भी है वो डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड है।
Okay.
फिर इधर रखा नीडल, ये नीडल ऐसा हो रहा है दिस वे, तो ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड है ना।
हाँ sir.
ये सबको ज्वाइन करेंगे ना, ऐसा छोटू 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 ऐसा कर्व मिलेगा अपने को। ये नीडल, ये नीडल, ये नीडल का डायरेक्शन, ये नीडल, ये नीडल, ये नीडल, ये नीडल। इफ आई जॉइन ऑल, आई विल लुक लाइक, दिस विल लुक लाइक व्हाट? अ कर्व ना।
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So that lines are called as what? Magnetic lines. Clear? नहीं समझा लगता।
Yes sir.
Clear, sir.
सपोज मैं क्या करता हूं, एक पेज लेता हूं, ऐसा पेज, एंड आई एम थिंकिंग मुझे ना मैग्नेटिक लाइन बनाने का है। तो मैग्नेटिक कंपास नीडल रहा है मेरे घर का एक कॉर्नर पे रखा, वो इधर आ रहा है नीडल, तो मैं इसका ही पैरेलल इधर एक डायग्राम बना दिया। इधर रखा तो ऐसा हो गया, तो मैंने ऐसा बना दिया। इधर रखा तो ऐसा दिख रहा है, तो ऐसा बना दिया। तो हर जगह पे ज्वाइन किया तो मुझे ऐसा दिखा, तो समझ गया ये फील्ड है ना अपना, इतना लोकेलिटी।
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
So that means the space around a magnet, space around a magnet, in which the space around a magnet in which the needle of a compass rests in a direction other than the geographic north साउथ डायरेक्शन। देखो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है, अदर देन ज्योग्राफिक नॉर्थ साउथ। ज्योग्राफिक नॉर्थ साउथ में मतलब अर्थ है ना उधर,
Yes, sir.
वो तो हमेशा ज्योग्राफिक नॉर्थ साउथ रहेगा, लेकिन बाजू में मैग्नेट रख दो तो डायरेक्शन चेंज कर देगा। हेलो केवल?
नहीं समझा.
Yes, sir. समझा sir.
देखो मेरा
कौन
घर
सा?
में मैग्नेट है ही नहीं, नहीं है मैग्नेट,
हम्म.
तो अर्थ का मैग्नेट है ना,
हाँ.
तो ये नीडल हमेशा किधर रहेगा? नॉर्थ साउथ में ना।
हम्म.
लेकिन मेरा घर में मैंने 2-3 मैग्नेट रखा है, तो अर्थ मैग्नेट एंड वो मैग्नेट का एक रिजल्ट किधर तो होगा ना, ऐसा।
क्या होगा?
Yes, sir.
ये अर्थ है नॉर्थ साउथ। अभी नीडल हमेशा ऐसा रहता है, नॉर्थ साउथ नॉर्थ साउथ नॉर्थ साउथ नॉर्थ साउथ नॉर्थ साउथ, मतलब ये अर्थ का फील्ड है ना।
Yes, sir.
बट इधर मैंने एक मैग्नेट रखा है और मेरा घर में सेपरेट, ये दोनों का रिजल्टेंट फील्ड ऐसा है, तो नीडल इसका डायरेक्शन में रहेगा ना, ऐसा 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 ऐसा, है ना। नॉट इन अर्थ का नॉर्थ साउथ, ठीक है।
Okay, sir.
मतलब ये मैग्नेट का स्पेस में, अर्थ का मैग्नेट का स्पेस तो ये पूरा है ना, नॉर्थ साउथ में है ना इधर।
हाँ sir.
हाँ, sir.
तो स्पेस अराउंड मैग्नेट, अराउंड मैग्नेट मतलब जो आपके पास मैग्नेट है वो, इन विच नीडल ऑफ अ कंपास रेस्ट्स इन द डायरेक्शन अदर देन geographic north south direction is called as magnetic field of the magnet. is,
Hmm.
I'm explaining, wait, is called as magnetic field of earth. नहीं बोल रहे हम लोग, magnetic field of magnet, okay, not earth, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So I'm just clearing the space and explaining once again. The space around magnet in which the needle of compass rests in direction other than geographic north-south direction is called as magnetic field of magnet. See, if this is magnet, it is found that magnetic field will be from north to south, north to south. So when you place needle here, needle will point like this. When you place here, needle will point like this. When you place here, needle will point like this. When you place here, needle will point like this. So then you join this, it will become like a curve, no?
Yes, sir.
So now this line is called as what? Magnetic lines of this magnet, north south. Okay, not following.
Followed, sir.
Followed,
Sir,
sir.
in sixth standard, no, so
हाँ.
we did like a bar magnet और
हाँ.
उसके ऊपर पेपर रखा था और उसके ऊपर आयरन फेलिंग्स छाटे और उसमें कुछ हाथ से ऐसा हिलाया तो
हाँ.
आयरन फील्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायग्राम बनाया है ऐसा।
बराबर, perfect, same it is. Yes, write this definition right
Done,
now.
sir.
Done, sir.
Go fast.
Done,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Okay.
you have to draw the diagram also.
No. Draw a diagram. I will explain again. Written.
Yes,
Written.
Yes, sir.
See, Keval, you are telling you have magnet. I am also having in cupboard magnet, but our magnets
हाँ.
are not attracting, ना?
हाँ सर, क्योंकि हमारा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो है
हाँ.
वो मैच नहीं कर रहे, बहुत
मतलब
दूर है।
वो बहुत दूर है। इसका मतलब आपका मैग्नेट का ताकत मेरा मैग्नेट को खींचने का नहीं है, ना इधर मेरा मैग्नेट के पास ताकत है आपका मैग्नेट को खींचने का, बराबर?
हाँ
बराबर.
सर।
When I come closer, that means I purchase from Naturals one ice cream and I come running for as a gift to you. You
हाँ
got full
सर।
mark. So that day, if I'm keeping magnet in my pocket and you are also keeping magnet in your pocket, then chances are there, na, they will start moving.
नो, हाँ,
No.
पॉसिबिलिटी तो है।
अगर आपका बस डाइनिंग टेबल है, उधर मैंने आपका मैग्नेट रखा और मेरा भी मैग्नेट रखा, नाउ चांस है ना ये लोग ऐसा घूम घूम के चिपक जाएगा इस पे, ये
हाँ
हाँ,
सर,
सर.
चिपक जाएंगे।
दैट मींस दे आर इन अ क्लोजर फील्ड. बट फिर इसको दूर रखा तो नहीं होएगा ना ऐसा.
नहीं आएगा.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर।
So what do you predict? डिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा तो फील्ड कम होएगा क्या ज्यादा होएगा?
फील्ड कम होगा.
कम
फील्ड
होगा.
कम होगा।
So can I say as the distance of point,
इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस।
actually it is square of distance, huh?
हाँ, स्क्वायर ऑफ डिस्टेंस।
As the distance of point increases, the effect,
Yes, so we learned about the square in the 3A1.
that were three different types of forces. The effect of its magnetic field decreases as the distance of point from magnet increases. Then the effect of its magnetic field decreases. Okay, write this as
Yes,
a
sir.
note. As the distance of point from magnet increases, the effect of its magnetic field decreases. See, those who are thinking to join NASA or astrophysics or shipping, then your magnetism concept should be very strong.
So why NASA?
No, somebody aerospacing.
NASA, so if you are studying about Earth, then you need a magnetic field.
Aerospacing. Somebody wants to go in space from air, become astronaut. For that, NASA is
Yes.
best place.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
This
Done.
magnetic field is having some direction. क्या किधर भी होता है ये?
Direction रहता.
Direction रहने वाले quantity को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग?
Vector
Vector.
quantity. तो
Vector.
नीचे लाइन देखो, magnetic field is a vector quantity.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. The magnitude of force is measured in what? Force का magnitude unit
Newton.
Newton. And our mass unit?
Mass unit kg.
Yes, kg. And time unit?
Second.
Length
Second.
unit?
Meter.
10 meter.
तो ऐसा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का भी कुछ तो स्ट्रेंथ का यूनिट होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
So it is measured by force experienced by pole of unit strength. हर एक पोल का कुछ तो स्ट्रेंथ है ना,
Yes, sir.
उसको हम लोग पोल स्ट्रेंथ बोलते हैं, बराबर?
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
force experienced by per pole is called as magnetic field. Magnetic
नहीं
field strength.
समझा.
हाँ समझेगा अभी. What is F?
F is force.
Force. ये पोल का कुछ तो स्ट्रेंथ रहेगा ना ऐसा, उसको
Yes,
पोल
sir.
पोल स्ट्रेंथ बोलते हैं. फोर्स पर यूनिट पोल स्ट्रेंथ, मतलब एक पोल का स्ट्रेंथ, is called as magnetic field intensity denoted by B.
Okay.
So suppose this
Okay.
is the force here is 10 Newton. So 10 Newton acting on this due to this pole, उसका वैल्यू रहता है 2 3, is called वो पॉइंट का फील्ड का वैल्यू. और आगे गए तो फोर्स कम हो जाएगा 5, तो 5/2 उसका वैल्यू. ठीक है,
Okay, sir. Understood.
ठीक है.
देखो the magnitude of right point wise. First you wrote as the distance of a point from magnet increases, the magnetic field decreases. Then second point was magnetic field is a vector quantity. Second, the magnitude of magnetic field at a point. So every time we are saying at a point, because point moves away, field will decrease. The
Yes, sir.
magnitude of magnetic field at a point is measured by the force. See, suppose I want to check मेरे पास ताकत कितना है, तो मैं खुद को मार के देखूंगा क्या?
नहीं सर.
नहीं ना.
नहीं
अब
sir.
4 लोग खड़े हैं, एक को मारा, उसने कुछ नहीं किया, मैं समझ गया माय फील्ड इज स्ट्रांग.
हाँ.
जैसे
Yes,
तरुण
sir.
को मारने स्टार्ट किया, तरुण ने हाथ पकड़ा और 2 बजा दिया, तो कौन स्ट्रांग है, मैं क्या तरुण?
तरुण.
चलो.
सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड चेक करने का कितना ताकत है, तो उसने फोर्स देना चाहिए ना किसको, तो
Yes, sir.
किसको देगा वो, तो पोल को देगा ना सामने.
Yes.
हाँ सर.
So magnitude of magnetic field at a point is measured by force experienced. मतलब देखो, अगर एक ने बजाया 5 उंगली का निशान आ गया, दूसरे ने बजाया एक दांत बाहर आ गया, तो किसका फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस ज्यादा पावरफुल हो गया?
जिसने
दूसरे
तो
का.
मार
तो
के
मतलब
दांत
उसका
मारा है.
फील्ड बहुत स्ट्रांग है ना.
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
So वैसे magnitude of magnetic field at a point is measured by force experienced by a magnetic pole of unit strength. Unit means strength 1. Unit strength placed at that point. Placed at that point. Copy.
Done sir.
So its magnitude will be force experienced by magnetic pole of unit strength placed at that point.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
And where will be
Answer.
its direction? Its
Towards the
direction?
pole.
Towards the pole.
No, it will be in the needle of compass resting at that point. ना
Oh.
हम लोग को फील्ड का डायरेक्शन चाहिए, मैग्नेट का नहीं, फील्ड का डायरेक्शन.
Okay, sir.
मैग्नेट नॉर्थ
Towards
साउथ
the
होएगा,
needle.
लेकिन फील्ड किधर होएगा? इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ नीडल ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So magnitude we got the direction of magnetic field is in the direction in which the needle of magnetic compass rests when it is placed at that point. Rest when it is placed at that point. The magnet will point north south, but its field is not in north south. At every point it is in the direction where magnetic compass rests when it is placed at that point. Okay, so that I told,
Okay, sir.
suppose it is resting like this is the field. It is resting like this is the field. It is resting like this will be the field. Cable followed?
Yes, sir.
Followed,
Okay,
sir.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
Done, sir.
Not done.
Okay,
Sir, can I go and get the charger of the laptop?
yes, get it.
Done, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Huh.
Sir, I have a magnet which I had tied with a thread and it was attached to a pole. So just below it, I put one more magnet so that freely suspended magnet was started rotating. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because it will apply force on that, huh? Pulling force it will apply, no?
On both the poles.
Both the poles.
Okay.
Either attraction or repulsion.
Yes, sir.
I will show you how. Can I clear this screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, I suspend a magnet, okay? एक magnet बताता हूँ, रुको. I suspend a magnet. It remains in north-south direction. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I bring another magnet here. Suppose the north pole है, तो ये खींचेगा ना इसको थोड़ा अपना तरफ.
Yes, sir.
So that magnet will move like this, ना now.
Yes.
When I remove it, तो ऐसा oscillate करेगा ना ऐसा ऐसा. ऐसा जाएगा, फिर
हाँ,
ऐसा
sir.
आएगा. So it will start rotating ना ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा.
Yes,
फिर
sir.
ऐसा फिर ऐसा because of this force acting.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes, Tarun, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now you are telling some example, केवल कि हम लोग ने 9th में या 6th में कुछ किया था ऐसा.
हाँ सर, वैसे ना मैं ना क्लासेस में जा रहा था
हाँ.
तो मैंने वो ऐसा बनाया कि नॉर्थ साउथ पोल वाला
हाँ.
मैग्नेट.
हाँ.
सो नॉर्थ साउथ पोल वाला मैग्नेट बना और फिर उसके नजदीक दूसरा मैग्नेट लगा दिया तो फिर वो एक जगह दूसरी जगह ऐसा गोल 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 घूम रहा
हाँ, because of that which I explained just now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, you told me कि मैंने एक पेपर लिया, फिर नीचे मैग्नेट रखा,
हाँ,
इधर
sir.
आयन फाइलिंग रखा है ना.
क्लासेस और स्कूल दोनों में ऐसा किया.
ओके, तो ये जो ये स्प्रेड हो जाता है ना अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में, यही लाइन ऑफ फोर्स है.
So, sir, they are creating magnetic field.
मैग्नेटिक
line.
फील्ड है. हाँ, दैट आयन के जब सामने दूसरा आयन आएगा तो चिपकेगा ना उसको.
Yes, sir.
That means if I place a magnet below sheet of paper and spread some iron filings, okay,
Yes, sir.
then iron filings will arrange themselves along a curved line, along a curved line, along a curved line, along a curved line, along a curved line. What is that line called? Magnetic line.
Magnetic.
line.
So these curved lines are called magnetic field lines. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So when you
Done, sir.
place here needle, needle will remain like this. When you place here, needle will remain like this. When you place here, needle will remain like this. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
Okay.
Followed.
Correct. So now what is that magnetic field line? If they say define magnetic field line. It is curve or a straight line? If this is magnet, then magnetic field line is like this, no? So it is curve or a straight line? Hello?
It is curved.
Curved
Curve,
line.
no? Curve line. So we say it is a continuous curve in a magnetic field. Magnetic field lines are continuous curve in a magnetic field such that tangent, very important, such that tangent at any point of it, suppose here it is curve. So if I draw tangent, this is direction of field at that point. Tangent,
Yes,
this
sir.
is direction of field. Tangent, this is the direction of field. Suppose you throw a body, it goes like this. So how to find direction of body at P? By tangent. At Q by tangent. At R by tangent, है ना? Body तो ऐसा वाकड़ा नहीं रहेगा ना, ऐसा bend होके.
Yes, sir.
Body will be at points. So ये arrow indicates इसका direction of speed or velocity. So it is continuous curve in a magnetic field such that tangent at any point of it gives direction of, see, space surrounding the magnet is magnetic field, and tangent dot at any point on it gives the direction of magnetic field at that point. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
At that point, write down. It is continuous curve in a magnetic field such that tangent at that point gives direction of magnetic field at that point.
Done, sir.
Okay. Keval done?
No, so two
No,
words.
sir.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Keval, when is your exam? You said
Around September, some Saturday.
so. August you don't have any exam, na?
No,
Sudhanshu,
Not.
you all?
Sir, we have on 13th August. Chapter we don't know, but most probably light and magnetism will only be there.
2 chapters you will have, light and magnetism.
Sir, it is reflection of light.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, it is reflection of light.
Fixed it is only reflection of light.
The only reflection.
Ma'am
Only
told
reflect-
ma'am
Hello.
told me that only in our class.
Only reflection of light, madam.
Yes,
told.
sir.
That is on 13th August,
Yes,
na?
sir.
13th August, only reflection
so
of
Yes,
we
light.
sir.
have on 4th September.
Acha. So reflection of light wala student will have, I have given you that planner.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes.
Done that planner. Or planner got finished.
So today I will again give one more planner, huh? Of
Okay, sir.
magnetism. Yes. See. Very, 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 very important. Properties.
Sir, I just wanted to say,
Sir, I also have to follow the planner.
No, I will give you separate planner.
Okay, sir.
Sir, electromagnet is not there in magnetism.
Okay. Proper, that is independent topic. Na? When you pass current, you get magnetism. This we are talking
Yes.
magnet already hai na? Uska properties of magnetic field lines. Fixed question, at least 4 so they will ask. What is this? Which magnet?
Bar magnet.
bar magnet.
Bar.
Power magnet.
This is which pole?
North
North.
pole.
North
And this
pole.
is which
Pole.
pole?
South pole.
South pole.
Always from north the field will start and go to the south, huh?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
And then within the magnet aisa rehta hai. This is the direction of this is magnetic field. You can show many arrows. Here it becomes perpendicular and then curve. Okay, and then curve. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
नॉर्थ से आएगा साउथ पे जाएगा, विद इन द मैग्नेट साउथ से नॉर्थ रहता है.
सर ये साउथ से नॉर्थ जाता है या नॉर्थ से साउथ जाता है?
किधर?
ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन.
फ्रॉम नॉर्थ इट विल स्टार्ट, go towards south outside, within the magnet south to north, because it is
Within the
continuous.
magnet south to north and north to south वैसा.
Outside the magnet starts from north, ये outside है ना, और ये magnet के अंदर है ना,
Yes, sir.
तो outside north to south, inside the magnet south to north. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
This
Followed.
is continuous closed curve or open curve?
Closed.
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 curve. It is always a closed curve. Okay. हेलो,
Okay, sir.
ओके सर.
साउथ का अंदर आता है ये ऐसा, ये नॉर्थ से स्टार्ट होके साउथ का अंदर आएगा. सबको समझा बराबर?
हाँ
Samjha,
सर.
sir.
Okay. So first point, can I say they are closed and continuous curve?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First point.
Yes.
Yes, first point. Pakka it will be asked in the exam. They are closed and continuous curve. Right, first point right down. Outside the magnet, they are directed from the north pole towards the south pole of magnet. 2 points we got. They are closed and continuous curve. Outside the magnet, they are directed from north pole towards south pole. That means they start from north and enters in the south.
Done, sir.
Not done, sir.
Okay, understand and write. First 2 points, please write. Return.
Done, sir.
Sir,
Done,
This
sir.
is north, this is south. So from north it will start and enter in the south.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
From north it will start and enter in the south.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want direction at this point. I should place needle. Needle will remain like this, na? So needle is line. Line touching the curve is called as what?
Tangent.
Tangent. So can I say tangent at any point will give the direction of field at that point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third one. The tangent at any point on a field, tangent at any point on a field line gives the direction of magnetic field at that point. Anybody got 20 out of 20 in your school or your division?
No, sir.
Nobody got full 20?
No, sir. In our
No,
class, it
sir.
was highest 19.
Acha, acha. Sudhanshu, in your division, you are highest?
18 only, sir. Both, everyone did mistake in that.
Acha, acha. Keval, you are highest in your school, in your division?
Mostly no.
अरे ऐसा मत बोलो यार, क्या दिल का जोर का झटका जोर से लग गया. How many marks short?
No idea. Not. I don't know anyone else's marks.
Okay. You all have copied this 3 point.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Will these magnetic lines intersect each other?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Suppose they intersect. इस assumption करते हैं. Suppose they intersect. Then what will happen? If this is one line, this is another line. They are intersecting. So for first one, needle should remain like this, na?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
second one needle is like this, na?
तो
Yes, sir.
needle confuse हो जाएगी.
तो needle तो dance करेगा, वो समझेगा नहीं किधर जाऊँ.
हाँ,
गल, गल, गल.
Sir.
So it is like our if you have seen some South Indian movies, एक बुलेट निकलता है, 2 टुकड़े में जाता है ऐसा. 3-4 जन को मारता है, वापस आ जाता है पॉकेट में.
Hey,
So is it
boomerang
possible?
जैसा.
That means it is not possible now.
Yes,
Not
not
possible.
possible.
So fourth point, right? They never intersect each other. They means who?
Magnetic
Magnetic
field.
field.
Magnetic field lines.
They never intersect each other. एक मिनट किसी का तो फोन. हेलो. यस. हाँ मैडम. हाँ बोलिए. हाँ. कौन से जेई का मैडम बोल रहे हैं आप? 11-12 का जो प्रेस चालू है अपना बाकी उसका. अच्छा अच्छा. चलेगा मुझे। नहीं वो तो सर ने भेजा है शायद, मुझे लगता है। हाँ, या प्रीतम सर ने भेजा था मुझे कुछ। हाँ एक बार वो 10 स्टूडेंट का कुछ है ना पेमेंट। हाँ भेजा है सर ने मैडम। हाँ 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 चलेगा। और कुछ होगा तो हम लोग बाद में बात कर लेंगे ना, ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। यस मैम, थैंक यू। See, they never intersects each other. If they intersect, assumption बोलते हैं, if they intersect, then at same point there will be two direction of field, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which is not possible. There will be two direction of field, which is not possible. Write down 4th point. In exam they may ask maximum 4.
How many are there, sir? Total.
Total there are around 7 to 8, but we'll in exam they ask for 2 marks, na, half mark each. Any 4 property characteristics that way they will write.
Done, sir.
Have you ever
Done.
ate sweet?
Yes, sir.
अगर उसको ओपन में रख देंगे तो क्या होता है?
खराब हो जाए।
मच्छर आ जाते हैं।
मच्छर आ जाता है, कीड़ा आ जाता है, मक्खी आ जाता है ना।
Yes, sir.
हाँ
लेकिन करेला रखा तो आते हैं क्या?
नहीं sir.
नहीं।
तो इसका मतलब क्या? दे आर क्राउडेड।
मच्छर को करेला नहीं पसंद।
हाँ शायद उनको डायबिटीज रहेगा ना, वो लोग भी आ जाते हैं। So can I say this magnetic field is crowded where field is strong?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
United we fall, divided we stand. You might be knowing this.
Yes, sir.
सर आपने उल्टा
No,
बोला।
sir,
Sorry,
you
sorry,
told
sorry.
ulta.
उल्टा I told. United we stand, divided we fall ना.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
सर।
Yes, sir.
तो united मतलब बहुत जन एक साथ आ गए ना.
Yes.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
उधर ताकत ज्यादा होएगा क्या कम होएगा?
ज़्यादा होगा।
बहुत ज्यादा हो।
So can I say when the fields are crowded, उधर ताकत ज्यादा ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
So at the pole they are crowded and बीच में they are away. तो किधर ताकत ज्यादा है? इधर क्या इधर क्या इधर क्या इधर क्या? सब जगह सेम सेम है.
पोल्स पे।
Poles पे
Poles पे.
more attraction will be there. At here few ion particles will attract. So where it is stronger?
At the
Towards the
At
pole.
the pole.
At the
I have
pole.
done that kind of experiment कि आइलैंड फाइलिंग्स का पूरा बॉल है, उसमें
हाँ.
मैंने बार मैग्नेट डिप किया तो सबसे ज्यादा
cleaved here ना.
हाँ, और
But
वहां पे
sir-
सिर्फ ऐसे साफ सुथरा ऐसे लगा कि नीट शेव किया और यहाँ पे बाल है।
Okay.
हाँ, सिर्फ poles पे ही आया सब iron
Okay. So
fillings.
can I say they are crowded? They are means who are crowded? Magnetic field lines.
Yes.
They are crowded near the poles of magnet. Where field is strong or weak?
Strong.
Strong.
Where magnetic field is strong and are far separated near the middle. Far separated near the middle of magnet where field is weak. Right. Just write down 2-3 examples I'm giving.
Done sir.
Done, sir.
I'm drawing diagram. You tell me where field is strong.
Okay sir. So that diagram we have to draw.
No, for your understanding. Tell me, is the field strong or everywhere same?
Same.
Same everywhere. बिकॉज यूनिफॉर्म दिखा है ना, इक्वल डिस्टेंस का गैप दिखा है.
Yes, sir.
दिस इज ए, दिस इज सी. नाउ टेल, ए पे स्ट्रॉन्ग क्या सी पे स्ट्रॉन्ग क्या बी पे स्ट्रॉन्ग?
बी पे.
B पे.
बी पे स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
C
ए
पे.
पे.
इधर क्राउडेड है ना, इधर तो दूर गया ना.
हाँ सर.
हाँ
तो ए
हाँ.
पे स्ट्रॉन्ग, सी पे सेम स्ट्रॉन्ग, बी उसकी. तो ए एंड सी का ताकत सेम, बी से
हाँ
ज्यादा
सर.
ना. गॉट इट?
Understood.
Yes sir.
So whenever you are representing it by parallel lines, equispaced, that means they are equally stronger everywhere. That is called uniform
Oh.
field.
Yes, sir.
7.
Sir, 6th point.
Sorry, sir. 6 point. Parallel and equidistant field lines represents a uniform magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field in a limited space is uniform.
Sir, what is its limited space?
Explaining, wait. This is Earth.
Yes.
ये सपोज अर्थ का मैग्नेट उसके अंदर जो इमेजिनरी है, तो इधर से फील्ड आएगा, ये इधर दूर दूर हो जाता है, इधर नजदीक हो जाए, तो कुछ इधर यूनिफॉर्म रहेगा ऐसा थोड़ा स्पेस में, और फिर बाद में कैसा भी रहता है ऐसा. तो ओनली सर्टन स्पेस पे इट इज यूनिफॉर्म ना.
Yes, sir.
इफ यू ड्रॉ टेंजेंट हियर, दिस पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट, दे आर इक्वी स्पेस. फिर जैसा दूर जाएंगे ना, दूर दूर चला जाता है ऐसा. Only at limited space it is uniform. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay
Understood.
sir. Done sir.
Done, sir.
Oh, correct. They behave like stretched elastic rubber strings. Means what? We are assuming कि इधर से ऐसा जा रहा है ना, तो कोई तो खींच रहा है ना उसको.
Yes, sir.
So it is like stretched elastic string. धागे को खींच के इधर से लाया और ऐसा रख दिया, ऐसा मैग्नेट निकाल दिया, धागा जीरो हो गया, मतलब इसको खींचा तो ऐसा हो गया, मैग्नेट गया तो कुछ नहीं है ना, उधर पॉइंट जैसा हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
Second example, if this is magnet, this is magnet, ये north pole, ये south pole, what will happen? They will get attracted ना.
Yes, sir.
मतलब फील्ड नजदीक नजदीक आ जाएगा ना इसका, दोनों का.
हाँ, sir.
बट नॉर्थ नॉर्थ रखा है, दूर जाएगा ना, मतलब ये इलास्टिक जैसा स्प्रेड हो गया ना, बड़ा, और ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो गया ना.
Yes,
इसके
sir.
नजदीक आया मतलब बीच वाला लाइन कम हो गया ना, दूर गया मतलब ज्यादा हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
So they behave like stretched rubber string. For attraction, the line of force becomes smaller. Repulsion, they become large.
Understood, sir. Done, sir.
So can I clear this?
Yes
Yes, sir.
sir.
Very important. Fixed, they can ask 4 points for properties of magnetic field lines. Next, right? Magnetic.
Sir, can you show that slide again?
Again. Pull the sim, pull the sim, pull the sim, आ गया.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, you have to even give that both the papers of last Sunday and last
No,
Sunday.
actually I forgot.
Oh.
I forgot it. By tomorrow I will send it.
Okay, sir. No
It's
problem.
actually I didn't forgot. I sent that paper to another teacher. I thought let him also
Oh.
correct one teacher. And I forgot to tell him कि मुझे urgent है वो paper. So today
Okay, sir.
morning I told he will send by today evening. By before 12 o'clock you will get midnight.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Can I clear it?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Next point, magnetic field of Earth. Earth behaves as magnet, we have to prove it, and then magnetic field of Earth we have to draw. पहले मैं डायग्राम बना देता हूं आपको मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ अर्थ का, then we'll see. Draw this Earth. What is this line called as, which is passing through north and south pole?
Longitude.
Longitude.
This line is called geographic axis. What is it called?
Geographic axis.
Geographic axis.
So here north pole, here south pole. This is geographic north pole,
Hmm.
and that axis is called geographic axis.
Yes, sir.
So draw diagram and write these 2 points. Geographic south pole, geographic north pole, geographic south pole.
Then
Done, na?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. अर्थ का मैग्नेट ना एग्जैक्टली उधर नहीं है, थोड़ा टिल्टेड है उसका डायरेक्शन. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
And here there is अर्थ का मैग्नेट. एक्चुअली मैग्नेट नहीं है उधर, एजम्पशन है कि अर्थ का मैग्नेट ऐसा सिचुएटेड है, नहीं तो कोई भी खड्डा करके मैग्नेट निकाल लेगा ना. So this is called as magnetic north pole, and this side will be called
तो
as
ये कितने एंगल से टिल्टेड है?
11.3. This angle is
बाप रे,
nearly
इतना बड़ा.
11.3 degree.
कैसे ना सर, 1 सेकंड का एंगल 1 पार्सेक बना देता है, तो 11.3 का एंगल कितना बड़ा है?
हाँ, तो बराबर है ना. हाँ. तो दिस इज ये मैग्नेट का इधर साउथ पोल होगा ना. हेलो.
Yes, sir. South Pole होगा.
अर्थ का मैग्नेट का इधर साउथ पोल है ना,
ये
और इधर नॉर्थ पोल होता है ना मैग्नेट का, उल्टा रहता है.
उल्टा.
तभी तो हम जब भी अपना मैग्नेट सस्पेंड करेंगे बाहर वाला, तो ये साउथ वाला उसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा, नॉर्थ को. फिर से बताता हूँ.
Okay.
देखो, बाहर वाला मैग्नेट किधर रहता है, ज्योग्राफिक नॉर्थ साउथ में ना. तो इधर
Yes,
अर्थ
sir.
का साउथ पोल है ना मैग्नेट का उसका, और इधर नॉर्थ पोल है ना, तो ये नॉर्थ को खींच के रखा है ना वो नीचे से, जो हम लोग को दिख नहीं रहा है ऐसा.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Drawing.
What is this?
तो ये एक्चुअल मैग्नेट अगर सस्पेंड करेंगे तो इस डायरेक्शन में होगा या फिर
हाँ.
ज्योग्राफिक नॉर्थ साउथ में होगा?
नहीं, थोड़ा टिल्टेड रहता है, उसको हम लोग एक बोलते हैं एंगल ऑफ डिक्लिनेशन. So this is called magnetic south pole, na? Magnetic south pole, and this side will be called as magnetic north pole. उल्टा है. इधर एक्चुअली कनाडा के पास है ये, और ये आर्कटिक सर्कल है.
सर मुझे can you explain again like that, if I take that magnet and suspend it via a string, that north pole will actually direct towards the south side?
हाँ, मैग्नेट एक्सटर्नल वाला will be towards north, but actually it is pulled by south of Earth's magnet, which you cannot see.
Oh,
This is called as geographic equator, na, passing through center.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And what will be this called as, the other one, जो मैग्नेट वाला है वो?
Magnetic.
This will be called as magnetic equator, na?
Oh,
So geographic axis को perpendicular, geographic equator. Magnetic axis को perpendicular, magnetic equator. Okay?
okay, sir.
Actually, it won't be like line. It will be like a circle. Throughout it is going, ना ऐसा.
Yes, sir.
तो actually ऐसा रहेगा ना वो नहीं ellipse.
हाँ सर, वो हम लोगों ने 2D बनाया इसलिए इसे लाइन आया.
Yes, हाँ. अभी आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ रहे हैं ना क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं?
Yes, sir, समझ रहे हैं.
Means it will be a great circle like this. दूसरा वाला will be like this, है ना?
Yes, sir.
We have drawn just a line this way and this line when we see from front. This is the line, but actually it won't be a line. It will be a circle, no, like this. Then this line, it won't be a line. It will be like circle, no?
Yes, sir.
So what is this called as this line?
It's magnetic equator.
Magnetic equator.
This is called magnetic equator. And this wala line?
Geographic equator.
This is geography. Right now, draw the diagram.
Done, sir. Drawn.
Geographic equator.
Sir, why do we use magnetic needle if it points towards the south?
Hmm?
Sir, that N and S.
See, this is not needle, huh? First of all. Don't get confused. ये अर्थ का अंदर का मैग्नेट है which we have drawn. But actually
Oh.
मैग्नेट नहीं, ये बाहर से कुछ नहीं है. ये हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि अर्थ के अंदर भी एक ऐसा मैग्नेट है. See, this is imaginary. It is not there. Hello, hello.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This green वाला is imaginary. उधर कुछ है नहीं. नहीं तो आप बोलेंगे सर अभी मैं ना जाके एक एक्स खरीदता हूँ. I will keep on digging it and I will bring the large magnet. So if you not know, oh, that is created by what? By the motion of this ion. है ना? This is moving. Electrons are moving. Electron. तो इधर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इसको फील होता है ऐसा परपेंडिकुलर इसको ऐसा ऐसा फील होता है नहीं उधर मैग्नेट है ना.
हाँ सर.
इमेजिनरी. सो टुडे वी स्टॉप हियर. संडे मुझे लगता है संडे भी नहीं कंप्लीट होगा. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट इज नॉट देयर ना.
No, sir, not there.
No, sir.
But still see to teach everything with proper diagram. Sunday lecture and one more lecture I will take.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So then
only-
measurement revision. After.
And after that I will take revision. But Keval,
Yes, sir.
can you attend 2 slots?
Okay, sir.
Because एक slot में आपका अकेला चल रहा है ना काम.
हाँ, sir.
So Sunday for you morning 9 to 10. And if you don't feel like joining evening, then don't come. And if you feel क्या नहीं चलेगा मुझे तो you attend.
हाँ सर, और अपने सिर्फ एक ही लेक्चर लिया है ना
हाँ,
इससे
बस
पहले.
तो उसमें कुछ नहीं था. ये ज्यादा important है.
Okay.
Have you completed? Now planner I am giving.
So I don't have to write that plan, right?
No, you don't have to write. You don't have to write. For you, I will send the planner. I will write and send.
Okay, sir.
And Billabong student will write, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm clearing this. Today is Friday.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just giving you 3 days ka planner. Sunday I will give another one.
Sir, do I leave?
Yes, no problem. Leave.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday test on magnetism. Okay?
Sir, how much? Till what we have done that much?
Only that much. Today you have to do 10A ka question number 1, 2, 3. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 1 to 3 you have to do. Then on Saturday, question number 5, 6, 7, 8. This much you will do. And Sunday, 10th, 15, 16,
Sir, after 10 directly 15.
directly 15, yes. 15, then 4, 16. 10, 14, 15, 16, this much. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
ये टेस्ट के पहले पढ़ लेना क्योंकि इसमें से आ सकता है. एंड इट विल बी
Okay, sir.
हैंड रिटन टेस्ट. तो मैं मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा गिमिक क्रिएट करूंगा. देखते हैं आपको जमता है क्या नहीं.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
That's all for today. We'll meet now. Our lecture on Sunday. Sunday and coming Friday, I will complete this chapter. And because
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
and then what I will do? Today's which day? 30, correct? This Sunday will be first.
Yes, sir.
So and next Sunday
No,
will
sir.
be,
This Sunday will be second.
tomorrow is 31st, beta.
Oh, sir.
So Sunday is first. Then 8th wala Sunday I will do revision of measurement for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And then 13th is your exam. You said na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
13th light है आप लोग को.
हाँ, sir.
हाँ, sir.
तो लाइट का रिवीजन करूंगा Sunday 8th को.
Okay, sir.
8th को
Okay,
लाइट
sir.
का रिवीजन आई विल डू. एंड उस पे ही आपको टेस्ट लिखना है सर.
Okay, sir.
So that के एग्जाम में इजी जाएगा ना.
हाँ, sir.
Okay, bye. Right,
Thank you,
right.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
No, but
sir.
have you written this?
Yes, sir. Return.
Okay. Bye, bye.